Hi guys, and welcome back to Captive Industry where... Oh, fuel. You should have fuel. Ooh, we've run out. Go and get me some fuel. That has crept... Oh, we got 1.7. Somewhere in the system we have fuel, but we're going to get some. How are you doing? You're reduced speed, save it yet. Vehicle parts. Ooh, we haven't got... Well, watch that. Right, today I want to do these servers, which is the proper version of that one. Now I've put these in, well first of all I've cleared some pipes that were running up and down this centre section. I've sent them around the sides, and I've done this beforehand because I've set all the recipes in each one. So that's A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, finish. They're all set in, but before I do that, Smarty settlement full of trash. Quick way is put that on. Settlement should not be full of trash. Unless it was that power outage. Now I have added these here. I'll come to that in a minute. Let me just... Is that going down? Might have to put another burner on. Could feed it in there a little bit quicker. Right, let's turn him on. I don't know where this has come from. There's a problem. And there. You can see it right there. Sugarcane. That's what has blocked that up. Don't know why it's blocked the ordinary trash. Right, let's do the sugarcane first. I was getting overflowed here, getting full, and it was stopping, the corn coming through. So I've put this alternate route. It's got priority on there, but if that gets full, it goes to the anaerobic digesters, and then that's fed back through into all this here. Is it going down that? Well, that one has, so that can be turned off. You look like you could actually be fed in quicker. Let's upgrade that. Of course, it stops while it feeds in. Let's get in there and fed in now a lot better. That one there can be upgraded, speed him up. I think that one's alright on speed there. Now is that trash going down? Right, we might have to put more burners in. I'll come back to that. Can always dump the trash, which I don't really want to. We've got rid of the warnings in the town. Right, that's that done. Next job. Chickens. We are getting the grain in now. I'm going to leave that shut down for a while. Now, please bear in mind, this is my first time doing farm, so it's a bit of a mess until I get my balances. But chicken carcasses are piling up. So another one of them we could put in for meat, but I think we need another one of them, and we'll put him here. And all we're going to do in this one is meat trimmings. So we've got the meat and we've got one doing meat trimmings. No, I don't want that. I want that one. Let's go check where me. Okay. Where my inputs is. We will be doing the other in a minute. I think this is the last change I want to make on this, right. And this is going to be messy, but I just want to get him in and running. Come that one a bit better. Yeah, that looks a bit neater. And then you are going to run round and connect. I want you to connect into... I've got the wrong connection there. Is that one I wanted? That's why you won't. You'll join there. Right, let's get that built. Get that built. Get that built. Get that built. We're going to have to do the pastry soon because that's... that is actually full, which could do where he's... Right. Very quickly, I am just going to activate the pastry. So you're... Snacks, no. You come out. It's over here, isn't it? This one. Yeah, that takes the fruit, because otherwise we're going to have the food lines blocking up. Get you built. You built. I don't want to build anything I don't need. You'll be taking eggs. Now, sugar we're okay. Cooking oil might be a problem. No, it should be okay. It's the corn I'm worried about. And I will worry about getting a delivery out of there later on. It's only going to take 2 at a time though. The line's running, that's the main thing. I tell you what we'll do, just so we come and do this proper. You go into that line there. You go into there. I don't know what I put that there. I didn't put that there for this. And then we don't need to worry about the pastry blocking the lines. I didn't want it blocking the this one. Vegetables, right. That's running. We've got the chickens running. We've just got this one to sort out, which we'll do later on. I need to balance all that up. That there is just a spare copy of what we're going to do. Right, let's get on to what we're going to do. Where are we? Where are we? Right, here we go. Electronics. Some of this will be temporary, some of it, this is going to be the location. Some of these storages are going to be temporary use. I'm going to leave these here because it is running. But I might be like, use this box here till we sort out proper. Right. First one, nice and easy. We want an output of this. I know said nice and easy. Can I get you right between them buildings? Vehicles shouldn't need to go down here. They might do though. We'll sort it out if they do. Can always put a bridge on there. Right, next one we want, like I said, all these are set up. 1, 2, ABC, ABC. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4. So it'll run straight through. And I'm trying to do this, and it's JD Plays design. So if it doesn't work, it's my building. Again, it's so that as we want to expand, you can take that and keep moving it back. I don't think I'll get it that perfect this time, but I think you'll get the gist of it. Right, we want, and I'm going to move this a bit further back. I want level 3. I'm going to give myself a little bit of working room, so we could probably move this nearer later. I want that nice and level down to there. I want that to go same again, up 1, magnet off, level 4, right over the top of level 3. Like I said, these I could probably move nearer, but I'm just giving myself a little bit of working room. Then level 5. And all the way down to the end. Right, I don't think it makes much difference which way you load your items on. And I'm going to pinch from... Right, we'll do copper first. Right, what I'm going to do is copper and plastic on the bottom 2. Probably put copper on the bottom. So I want that turning. Give myself room so I can connect. I will do the... That will connect. Up 1, 2. Now I always have trouble getting these. That's not connected, has it? Let's just take him. Move him back 1. I have used the flat lift, haven't I? Yeah. That's not connected. Okay. What I will do... I've just deleted the one thing I wanted. Okay, we'll do it again. Flat lift. We'll go... Let's try that again. There. Up to... Flip you round. It's not connected again. Moving back 1. As long as I can axe... Yeah, we can get a pipe in there. You... Why are you not connecting in? There, that's what I was after. Now, I'm just hoping... I've got this height here. Which it looks like I have. So we'll put plastic on that one. And we'll pinch him off this line here. And straight into that line. Right, copper. And again, I've got my... You're going to go round. Again, I'm going to move in 1 back. Just... Because I should be able to get that connection in there, but... he's going to go up 1, 2, 3. And that pillar's right. I think that's the right height for him. He's got to be flipped. Copper it into there. He should go into the middle one now. Yes. The idea being you can take this with the lifts like that, copy it, move it over, and I know JD had it that these were connected, but all I'd have to do is then connect each of these up. All the supplies are in. Right. Next one is gold. Now we have a small gold supply here, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to put a new storage box. I'm going to make it a big one. And he's going to go up to the top line. Do you know what? It might be ideal if I connected the copper. I'm going to take the copper from here. I just realised I hadn't connected him. Where are we? I'll worry about putting lifts and all that in. I'm going to take him up to 5 and then... Where's he gone? Yeah, he's got in the right one, and then we just want this one. If he will go, if not, I'll put a lift in. He will go. I'll do the lift for him later. And he's gonna go on this one. Let me just get that built there a minute. Gold, gold. I just put gold on there. I'm going to make him high. I'll try and get some gold in there. Because it's the only one that's not going on belts. There is one there, but he's only a small one. And of course it'd be awkward. And I've got to check my... CPU usage. Right, this one. Again, we'll come back one. And he's got to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it... Might have just gone... Oh, there, that's the right one. I should go on to the top one. Yeah, these you seem to got to count one less than the actual one. Right, let's get them in first. And I've got too many refugees. I know what we were meant to be doing. Oh, he's switched off. Can we upgrade you yet? Guns rear. Guns front. Modification. Okay. It won't let me. Perhaps I should have set them both going. We'll come back to him. 7. We might be able enough to take them others on. Right, what are we up to? I want to now... And here's where it all goes wrong. If I... Copy... that lot. I know I've got the water and the acid to do. That is gone out of sequence. Acid. Hang on. That's 1C. 2A. That should have been 2A. That's 2A. You 2B. And you're 2C. try that again. Looks like we had one the wrong way round there. So I'll do the water and the acid at the end. Right, so you have to connect like that. And get myself lined up so I can see him. Like that. And like that. And that end one is gone slightly out somehow. It's easy fixed. Not copy. I think this is right. Right, the output, I am just to save messing about. I say I want you there. Oh, it's a long way. I want him to get... Okay, go up. Go up, it's going to be easier. I'll sort this mess out. I just want him in there. I'll move all this lot after. We're going to probably need teraflops. Right, water and acid next. We'll pinch the acid from here. Yes, direct from the main tank. Keep him high. Probably get away with him on the... One, 3. Okay, you're going to be blocked. Just go there. I don't like all those connections I've got showing wrong. No, I think it's connections we don't need. I hope. Right. Acid pipe. Oh, we've come out a little bit. Right, you're the acid. You're an acid. That's 2. One more. All right. And that should be the last of the... Oh, one here. We'll soon find out if we are wrong. And what I should have finished doing was... checking these out. I could have thrown us out. Right. B. C. 2A. To B, so much for doing these. To C, 3A, 3B, 3C, 4A, 4B, finish. Right, water. Sorry, I got a little bit distracted there. We'll pinch off this pipe. And I think what we like... Oh, we've got plenty of time. Keep you high. And I'm gonna go that side of the conveyor just for now. I'll get U-bolt. U-bolt will help me. Right, I want the water pipe, which has come way too high to what I wanted. As long as I can connect to it for now. One, two, three. Should be this one here. Yeah, there he is. Like I said, I'll tidy it up later. I just want to get him running. Have we done you? Yeah, I thought I'd missed one. No, that's the one we just done. Have we? No, we haven't. Right, let's get him built. Gotta watch, I don't want that building. And then we'll see what teraflops we need. Do they call it teraflops? Computing power anyway. Right. Why are you... That's the first problem. We haven't connected him up. Flat. Get you, Bill. Right. See, we've got nothing in there. And we've got nothing in there, so we're going to have to watch how we get this going. Right, there's the first problem. What's... No, you're waiting for plastic. I might have Where's my plastic gone? Oh, what's up with you? Okay, let's get you switched on. He's probably out of something, sand, and you're out of fuel, and you're out of fuel. Where's our fuel gone? Go and get me some more quick. You're loaded up. Go and get me some more. And how you're doing? They've done that ship designer quick. And power's fluctuating. Okay. Sand. We're getting a little bit. I'm just debating about put him on a conveyor. He is here. I think for now I will and like I've been saying, I will work out the proper tidier paths later. I just need to get one over. I know where some of my plastic's been going. Gonna run you right into that one. Got a lot of plastic coming down here for this, and we haven't got U-boat, and we haven't got U-boat, and that was supposed to be just to take and we've missed that pipe there. So much for building that to stop the blockages. Luckily it is all flowing. Power is fluctuating again. There, we've got our first treat. So we'll worry about this next episode. It's running. It's taking the stock out. Oh, taking that demand down. Right, how's our plastic doing now? That's sand. Oh, he's coming through. Could upgrade him to high speed. think once he's running... I've got a mess of pipes to sort out. You need... You should have been on empty. You should have been on keep empty. You are working through... Going a little bit lower than I would have liked, but... They are working. That C is getting nicely blocked. Fuel is coming up. Sand is coming through slowly. Oh, the trucks are getting them in. It will just stop the trucks moving it. Right. Back onto this. They're getting everything in, so that's running. We really need to keep an eye on that one. We'll soon find out if it comes through. And don't forget, some of these we haven't used them, so I'll be quite happy if it does run. And we are, teraflops are alright. So actually surprised me that. Come on, where are you up to? I am on max speed. Ah, we've got a problem there. No, is it? Hang on, let's pause it. Output is full. 3C. 3C input, 4A output. Waiting. Right, let's give it a minute. You should be getting them. You're waiting. Water. Water's not... It's not flowing from there. $22. Let's upgrade that pipe. Upgrade that one. Give it more through. It could be. Question is, was this gonna supply enough? That looks like it. You'll keep upgrading. I think I'll leave it there for now. We did say that might need working out. Alright, we're gonna find out why. It could be we haven't connected the water. There's me upgrading the pipes. That. And like I said, I will get these tidied up. Once we get it sorted out. I did see it work then. Which one was it? That one. Just waiting for this to end one, which could... I was going to say it could be the gold, but no, we've got gold there. Volkswagen's having to go round this. Come on. Yay, we got it through. We've got a nice supply of gold. It's a bit of a mess on the pipes, but it should now feed through. And of course power's just gone. 12 at a time. Unity's, oh, that's power fluctuation. We should be okay. Look how much we've got. 300. Right, that is that going, and he'll feed into here. I'm going to leave that one running for a little bit because we need to get them. Do you know, I've not even been checking the maintenance. You need... We are getting parts coming through. It's a... Yeah, we are getting parts. Servers we can do. I will worry about the servers and... Oh, we're only halfway there on the power. I'm just going to give him a little bit more. I know my power's fluctuating. Now, the idea is on this, I should be able to copy that all of it, move it across, and then we've just got the pipes to connect. And these conveyor belts. Well, that's all running. It's just the power. I am struggling with power. Right, we're going to do our ship. I am going to put... I shouldn't need them on. How's my reactors? They are working. Right, let's have a look at our ship. Yeah. Waiting for me. What are you waiting for now? Electronics. Great. The number of problems I've had with electronics, but electronics is this side. Oh, it's just delivery problem. Got plenty of electronics there. Everything's come to a halt round here. You can get back on now. I turned these off because we had no... When we had that jam in the last episode, I should... Just slightly over to demand what we've got. Yeah, I think we're okay. Our demand soon goes up. That's building up. Yeah, that is building up nice. Probably switch this down. We've got all this line rerouting to do, but we've got area here we can expand it into. And it's just making it tidier. What we got there? That That is not good. You can't access that gold. Okay, okay. What we'll do, we will... For now, gold is here. And he's gonna come to that one. That is just... I should have done that when I first set him up. And we'll make sure he's on high demand. Not ideal, but once we get rid of this here and redesign some of this, because it was only put in to get this going. Right, battleship. Let's see, have you got those parts in yet? 76%. Oh, it's not mechanical parts, not electronics. Okay, that was me. We've still got plenty of mechanical parts. He's full, but nobody can get to him. And they got them there. If he's full, and he's full, and that line's going, I don't need them going. Well, I do need that. Hang on it. Iron scrap. Okay, where are we getting that? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong... Yeah, we've got a little bit too much. These have all got recipes to use iron scrap. The only thing I can think of is upgrade them. Oh, I'll put another bucket on. We're gonna have to look at scrap because it's... Okay, easiest way is... Take you. Okay, take... Take these. Set recipe. Don't give me any scrap. Yeah, these are not shipping it fast enough. Right, that's going slow there, but he is. Why had that conveyor stopped? Why is it stopping like that? And then it's starting up again. Maybe it's too close. Maybe should have, instead of him doing everything from these two, have that one there feed onto a line. But that's not getting rid of that problem. Ooh, that could be upgraded. That would help. Yeah, it could be that slowing it down. That's better. That's shipping that. Okay, that's something to keep an eye on. Right, power. Again, I don't understand my power problems. Right, let's have a look at. And of course it's coming back. Right, how's this ship doing? I want to go on and do a raid. We're just waiting for the stuff coming in. And the cargo to come out of there. When did the crew unload? Right, back in a minute once this gets fixed. Back with you in a second, guys. Just gonna get my keys here. I'll tell you what, guys, what we'll do this ship next time. I've been waiting about 15 minutes and it's not moving. And I'm getting fluctuations on this power. But that's one last check. It's all working. They are coming out. This is getting overloaded here, so we're going to have to work on that. I need to look at that. I'm going to shut this one down here. I've let it run empty, so they can be shut down. We'll leave it there just for a while, but we'll shut them down. That will help us on power a little bit. Oh, we definitely need to. Can I increase you? You have to be a bigger bucket. I think we need to look at the layout. And power keeps fluctuating in and out. No chips there. Chips that are there are going straight out. Yeah, we've got this working anyway, so we'll probably. I'm just debating where to. Could put a load of manufacturing there. And fuel again. I've got a few things to look at on this. Few problems to solve. We'll get it sorted out for next episode. Coal. What's the blockage on coal? Coming through again. Why? We don't need all you there. That would probably help us. In fact, I don't need any of you on there. Let them wander off and do their bits. And somehow they've got... There, they have found the way out. Coal is... They've still got plenty there to go at. I'm gonna have to watch it though. Maybe move... Yeah, we don't need any more iron for a while. We'll let that scrap catch up. Trouble is now, if I'm not careful, I'll end up blocking this with iron if I'm not careful. And power is fluctuating on me again. Well, yeah, you're out because these are full. That as... I'm not going to put him in now. Yeah, that has cleared the... Oh, a bit of ground there for me to clear. Right on the... He'd have to go that way round. Oh, that storage there. That's what's causing it. Get them holes filled in. That's what I've been doing, filling all these little bits of stone. So I'll work on that. One last look at the ship. Oh, he's 900 hit points. Oh, he's we're gonna go on a quick... I want that one there. Why is my ship not going out? He's got... I just load... Go and do battle. We'll do battle with him. I want the oil rig. We don't know what's there. 990. Have we got any more? Ship upgrades. Armor. Oh, looks like we're going to have to watch. Microchip production 2. Which will give us more microchips through. So we'll look at that. Robotic assembly. Consumer electronics, we need that in. Titanium, we're getting there. I'm still learning the game. Ship battle. There he goes. We'll get maybe get him repaired. Let's get the ship back. I can figure out how to do it. Ship. No, you click on that one. Go home. There he goes. Right, we can start taking some of these out now though and see what we've got. Which we're gonna do, I don't know. And I don't know how much further this map extends. You're down to 321. Might be an idea to start repairs on that. And the ship's back in, and he's... oh, very little damage. Okay, folks, we have got the ship fully upgraded. Ready to go. Ah, he's looking mean. A little bit small for them guns, though. 4. Okay. I'm gonna go, folks. I will see you next time. We'll get the water. Ah, right. One problem after another. Right, I'm gonna have to sort this out. I'll get this water sorted out, and I will see you on the next episode. We could import water if we needed it. Is there a quick trade? Not for water. Okay. Yeah. I need to look at that. I will see you next time anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.